Getting old and tired.
Yeah.
Oh, who'd you play with?
Well, oh, yeah, no, wait, DJI.
Wait, Robbie played that in New York? What team is Robbie?
We have Cobras in the red and Rudi G's in the gray and black.
Yeah, we'll change the out.
It's going to be a hold down. We tip, so it's only going to be 6-0 Cobras. 6-0 Cobras. Then G's. Oh, that's going to be a touchdown.
Yo, Rock, move up. Yo, Rock.
That's going to be a touchdown.
Yo, Rock, you gotta move.
Ooh. That's a great catch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's going to be a touchdown. That's going to be a pick. They can take it back for 2. And he might be going down the sideline. He might be going down the sideline. Oh, what a flag. With the ball. Good defense. That's going to be a touchdown catch. His second of the day. Oh! It's going to be another flag on the defense. Only up 8. Only up 1 score. 1 score on a 2-point conversion.
Oh, good kick.
Wow.
Well, go right there.
He's going to walk in. He's going to walk in uncovered. That's going to be 27-12 Cobras. Pages, 6-minute pages, ACFL, downstate.
What's your page, so I'm gonna.
It's gonna be Predator Productions.
On Facebook, right?
Yes, sir. And he might be gone. He's gone. That's clean. No flag art. That's clean. Good low throw. Oh, he dropped it. Okay. Oh, that's another touchdown. Should have just grabbed the hoodie. A little high, a little high. Quarterback running again. This is, ooh, good flag. Oh, just put 1 second. That's up. That's out of bounds. Don't even. Mediator right now. Now I got 20 viewers, I should say. Okay. Good short throw. Quarterback looking to run again. That might be holding. Oh, he let him go. There's no holding. Good flag. Back position. Other than that, it's been a pretty blown out game. He's looking to run again, and he missed again. And that's going to be a nut. His third of the game. Third rushing touchdown of the game.
There's a couple spots in here.
Uh-oh. Oh, good flag.
Wow, what the cheater!
Yeah. You thought you could get away with it.
Oh, and he's got him, and he's going to be short. That's going to be game. That's going to be game. That's going to be game. 33-24 Cobras. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be back after they do the tallying up for the knockout round. Stay tuned. Again, if you guys can do me a favor, just give me a like and a share. Much appreciated. I'll be back in a few with the next games. Have a good one.